Well, as Liz was just mentioning to us, we are seeing some beautiful temperatures and nice weather in our forecast. Maybe not so much this morning, but why not enjoy a nice glass of wine out on your patio or just hit somewhere up, and why not try out some new wines? So Doug Breichels with us now.
Yeah. Well, happy spring to you, Andrea.
Thank you. Very happy that this weather has finally shown up.
You're right. What I brought today, three Iberian wines, the Iberian Trio, Spain and Portugal. So the first two we have here are from Spain. We want to start with a brand new wine in Saskatchewan, the Goru, which is from the south of Spain, and it's made of two grapes, Andrea, the Chardonnay and the Muscatel. And Muscatel brings a gorgeous sort of perfume, tropical notes. Chardonnay gives some lovely body. Absolutely delicious for the summer and for the spring drinking. Secondly, from Spain, also from the same area, is the Las Hermanas. Means the sisters, from Bodega Luzon, named after the sisters of the founder of the winery. And this is two red grapes, Monastrell and Shiraz, all organic and unwooded. The Las Hermanas, beautiful wine. And then a slightly more expensive, only $20, and I think it's an incredible wine because it drinks like about a $30–35 wine, from Portugal, Madeiras, in the southeast corner. 4 grapes grown on a single estate, 12 months, matured in French oak, and absolutely dreamy material, the Madeiras. Label is easy to spot because it has a bunch of birds from their bird sanctuary.
I think dreamy was a perfect word to use, and definitely daydreaming about being able to have a glass a little later as well. Do you find, too, just a quick question for you, that this time of the year a white wine is maybe more popular than a red wine? Yeah,
white wines, obviously, as weather warms up for us, white wines are a wonderful sipper, and people begin to shed the heaviness of winter and want something more light and crisp, very much so. And increasingly, Andrea, people are exploring white wines, good white wines.
Right.
I think it's easy to get bad white wines. We all maybe started there, very inexpensive, sort of one-dimensional.
Is that like Arbor Mist?
I'm not going to mention any of the others, but I will say there are the wines and the pseudo wines.
Right.
So let's enjoy a wine.
Let's do that. My mom has definitely tried to broaden my palate as well, because I was maybe one of those ones when I started off not drinking the finest of wines.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So enjoy 3 things. Wine appreciation, Andrea, is not about elitism at all. It's entirely about attentiveness to the senses. So enjoy the color. You see a very pale golden there.
It is very nice.
And then really, and here's where the important, enjoy the nose. I had a wine teacher who told me that 80% of the wine is in the nose. So, don't you just want to wear that?
Well,
and then in the palate. And
great. Well, thank you. I was going to, give you a little cheers to spring.
Cheers to you.
And thank you for coming on our show today.
Thank you for having me.
We always appreciate it. I'm sure lots of people will be going out now to get these, and if you are looking for more information, you can always go online to their website there as well.